Are you ready? Getting better at my ollies. You gotta just be even more mellow. And just pop it up. And don't have your feet on any of the sensors. For a nice quality ollie. There's an indie. Do a little. Oh yeah, I can do a backside tail or blunt slide. Okay. Look at this. It really respects good timing. Oh shit. That was close. Oh! I thought I was gonna hit my head. But that had no collision detection. Oh! It's scary. I hate it. I hate it. It's just like... Come on. Unreal. Getting the best of me. Like, what the hell? Can't even pop over it. Can't even get over it. That is why you fail. Yoda? Damn it, man. That was tough. Come on. You can do it. There you go. But, like, how? How am I supposed to go over both of those? But Master Yoda... Dude. No, it's locked in. That is awful. Look at this. This is why people gave up on this game. Oh, never mind. Just go down a level. That's cool. Smith grind. I'll take it. Oh. Oh man, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm sweating. This makes you sweat, man. This is an exercise. You know, pro fitness. This was during the pro fitness era. Everybody was coming out with something. And then we went back to the dark times. The slug. The sloth. The sinful sloth. And I installed a bathroom right beside my bed. So I didn't even have to get up to go to the bathroom. Look at that. Woo! Nose grab. That was alright. Earned 1 new star.
Alright, that deserves a round of applause. Anyone?
Hey. Alright. He wasn't too psyched on that, I guess. I better try harder next time.